Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the keyboard shortcuts to restart, sleep or lock any laptop or PC. So first we are going to restart our PC, so you have to press the key Windows and X. After that you have to press U, and then in order to restart your computer you have to press R, and the computer is going to be restarted. Just wait. After a while you will get your desktop. Just wait. So I've done the restart, and now is the time to show you the keyboard shortcut to sleep your laptop or PC. So again you will press Windows and X, and then you will press U, and then you will press S in order to sleep your computer. So press S key and your computer will go in the sleep mode. So press enter again. Now we are back. Now in order to lock your PC or laptop, what you're gonna do is you're gonna press Windows and L key, and this is going to lock your computer or laptop. Now I'm going to log in again. Enter. We are back. At the end, I would request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.